Hi, it's Trisha at Club Scrap here with another special release. This one's called Mon Amour, and it's all about love, right? And we've got some gorgeous prints in this collection. We have two with the Eiffel Tower and some other beautiful patterns in the background. And then we have another one we're calling the Labels print. It's just some lovely French labels, a nice neutral print with some lovely stripes in the background. The plain papers in this collection include two of this nice deep black, a soft light pink, and then we have a pink metallic. You can see it shine. It also has a little bit of a ridged texture. Two of these beautiful red metallic papers, one sheet of a taupe pattern, and three sheets of this lovely shade of gray. The printed cut aparts we add to your pages make quick work of finishing those layouts. We've got border strips, journaling prompts, little tags, and other beautiful artwork to add to your layouts. You can embellish your pages with a choice of 3 ribbons in colors to match the collection. Check out this gorgeous 1-inch wide Harlequin pattern. There's a lovely 5/8 inch silk ribbon here in ivory, and then a narrow pink taffeta. We're including 3 of these silver fleur-de-lis accents, 2 darling Paris charms, 2 Eiffel Tower woodcuts, and a whole roll of this really cool vintage postage washi tape. In addition to putting together this beautiful collection, our aim here at Club Scrap is to help you take the contents of the box and turn it into something beautiful, in this case 6 12x12 layouts. The first step of that is just having access to the very thorough instruction document that tells you exactly where to trim each sheet of paper so that you can make those 8 layouts. And here they are all finished. So again, you can follow along with me during the workshop video and I will help you recreate all of these pages. I'll talk to you about how I embellished all of the pages using the supplies, again, that came in the box. We make it so easy to help you feel inspired and creative with everything we send. So in the end, there's nothing left but your gorgeous scrapbooks. Come and join me for this workshop with a Mon Amour kit. Can't wait to see you there.